Hello guys, welcome to Nancy Adogram's Food Discovery. My name is Nancy Obinna and today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 exciting facts about cooking with eggs.
Guys, the first fact is eggs comes in two different colors. Some white, some others dark brown. In Nigeria, particularly, I noticed a lot of dark brown eggs, but there are times you can see some whiter shades of eggs. In other countries, their egg seems to be snow white, while others are dark brown. I think this is as a result of the breed of the hen or fowl. The second fact is they come in various sizes. We have the small size, the medium size, extra large, or jumbo. And that's why you notice as a baker or chef, when working with eggs, they call for either large eggs or normal eggs. So you have to follow the recipe to the latter in order to get the, the, the cooking or the baking right. Now, the third fact of egg is when working with eggs, you notice some eggs may go bad, others may just be fresh. So how would you be able to test for the freshness of eggs? You can see there is a water in a bowl. This is a technique that I've tried severally, especially as a baker. So now, I want to know the freshness of this egg. Look at what I did. As you can see, this egg is fresh because it sinks into the bowl of water. But when the egg is bad, because I don't think I have a bad egg right now, or maybe let me test it. You can see this also sunk into the bowl of water. I'm not sure I have any bad eggs. So when the egg is bad, you notice it goes up like this. It will just be floating in the bowl of water like this. That's where you know that the eggs are bad or maybe about to be bad. I bake a lot, I cook a lot, so I make use of lots of eggs. So it's very important you know this. Then the second, the fourth technique, the fourth fact, sorry, is when working with eggs, you want to separate the egg as a baker or a chef, or just a cook, a home cook. Look what I do. I don't have a tripod, so I'm just trying to show you with one hand. When trying to separate the egg yolk from the egg white, this is the egg white, and this is the egg yolk. So when you're trying to separate the egg yolk, rather than using two, for instance, some people use two sharp edges of the shell to separate it, like you're just trying to maneuver it so that the egg yolk wouldn't puncture. I think that's a stress. So as a baker, what I do is this. I just break it into the bowl and then I use my hands. Look at what I do. I loosely, you can see, I make sure that my hands are loose. That is, it has spaces in between the fingers. So I'm able to separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. And besides, this is the fat of the egg. And then this is, well, this is more fat than this. So I enjoy using this part of egg. I eat both eggs, sorry. But this is what I do, okay? Wow, this looks so lovely. Okay, that's that. That's what you do. You see how easy it is? You don't try to maneuver it with the egg shells. This is the best way to separate with your hands. Make sure your hands are clean to do this. As a baker, I don't mind getting my hands dirty. So, then the fifth factor is eggs are cooked in various methods, not just the boiling and the frying. We have boiling method where you put water into the pot and then you cook for maybe 10 minutes or thereabout until it's hard boiled. Then the second is frying. You can fry it as scrambled or omelets. Yeah. And then we have poaching. Poaching is another different method of cooking eggs. And then the last one we have baking. And these are the common four methods of cooking eggs. We have baking. Some people bake their eggs. So in my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to cook with boiling method, poaching method, baking method, and frying method, and then which is healthier in terms of calorie intake. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, means a lot